have all different minds, perceptions, perspective, etc. Mga opinions, mga adas. So, please respect my opinion in this topic or in this vlog, and I will respect yours. So please spread love, not negativity, and please spread positivity, guys. Please spread your words, okay? So we'll start by stating the pros and the cons of this topic, guys. So what is the pros of the high-paying job? So it is expected if you are working in a high-paying job, you have a high salary. Yes, high salary, right? And if you are working in a high-paying job, you can buy the things that you want, the needs, your wants, whatever you want, right? And if you're working in a high-paying salary, you have compensations and benefits. Then yes, it's all about money. If you are working in a high-paying job, right? And the cons, let's say the pros, it's all about money. The cons, what is the cons or the disadvantages of high-working job or high-paying job? So guys, if you are working in a high-paying job, it is all about working under pressure. You need to expect, or you are expected to have a work under pressure, guys. So if you're working under pressure, so there are stress, there are tensions that in your work environment, you need to pass all the deadlines, the scores, if it is needed. And if you're in sales, you need to pass the quota or to reach the quota. So it's all about the tension, the stress. And if you are experiencing that, then your mental health is at risk, right? So, if your mental health is at risk and you don't have any friends in the office, I don't think so you can survive. So, yes, that is the pros and the cons for high-paying job with no friends. So let's go next to harmonious office with low income. So what is the pros of this topic? So the pros of this of this harmonious office with low income is the healthy work environment. So opposite of the high-paying job with no friends, we have healthy work environment. Since it was harmonious, your friendship to your boss and to your co-workers is also harmonious, right? So everything is good. So everything is stress-free, and you have happiness and you have a job satisfaction. So if you have a job satisfaction, your mental health is not at risk. Not like the high-paying job. Correct? Yes. I guess it's correct. So guys, so if you have that work environment, I guess we have also the cons. But for me, the cons of this work environment is only the salary. For me. But it's my opinion, guys. It's my opinion. For me, the cons is only the income. The income. So not like the high-paying job, you can buy whatever you want. But in the harmonious office with low income, just the income. Yes, it is limited, but still you can survive with a low income. You can still sustain the needs and the wants of your family and of you. Yes, correct. So I will share this quote to you, but I guess it is very familiar to you guys, that no man is an island. You cannot survive without any help of others. And yes, you cannot survive with without any interaction of other people. So please, I would like to please respect my opinion, okay? And also, if you are you're only the one in that island, no people, no friends like that, can you still survive? I don't think so, guys. So for me, I prefer working in a harmonious office with low income. Even if it's low income, I will enjoy working this harmonious rather than risking my mental health because I am experiencing this mga adas. And working in a high-paying job, still fine. But I have this mental condition, specifically anxiety, that no one can relate and no one can manage but me. And also, if you are not experiencing this, you cannot relate, no? So yes, guys, I will prefer this environment, the harmonious, still, because as I said earlier, it is stress-free, and the happiness, the job satisfaction, and also the harmonious relationship that you and your boss and your co-workers are very special. Very, very happy, guys. It's a matter of choice. You have your own preference and mine as well. Please respect my opinion, guys, and I will also respect yours. This is Trixy, your vlogger for today. And if you happen to relate this video, you can feel free to comment down below your video suggestions and concerns. And let's make it work. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!